Bonjour, it's winter in Canberra. It's also the truffle season. It's also time for Truffle Festival. Let me tell you about it. We've got an early season. It's really good. Next Monday I'm going with my children and my wife, of course, to find a truffle. It's of course beautiful experience. To find truffle, a beautiful relationship between the farmer and the dog. We use the dog in Australia, we use the pig in France. The dog, when he finds truffle, he just carefully start to dig. Okay, when we say stop, the dog stop to dig, and we just like the dog after, because we're very excited. We lie down on the ground and smell the dirt, smell the ground, and the dirt smell the truffle. It's very strong smell of humus, of maybe petrol sometime. Very sophisticated flavor. It's really nice. And when we've got this first truffle in our hand, it's really important to look the color, to touch if it's not too soft. Must be very hard, and to smell. And we give also this truffle to the dog to smell as well. And that's a gift to the dog. We give other things to the dog to eat as a gift. Not truffle, it's too expensive.
So you be treated carefully.
Good girl, Sam.
Here we go. Ready? There you go. Good
Oh, good girl.
There we are. That's a real one. Look at that. Nothing around here. And often, if there's one of that nature, find another.
Well, that was worth coming up with.
Yeah.
Alors, cooking classes is great with other people or to share this beautiful experience. People can touch this beautiful product, smell this beautiful product, and cooked with us this beautiful product. Probably people are scared of this beautiful mushroom, this beautiful truffle, because it's so expensive, but it's like everything. They must to touch, they must to smell, and they have to cook. They don't have to be scared to touch a truffle. They can cook a dish with 2 or 3 grams a dish, and it's nothing to be scared, and that's so different. Vive la différence.
After your hunt,
you can come to 3 Seeds for a hands-on cooking school.
We've got lots of beautiful restaurants who cook truffle, and the quality of the Périgord black truffle here in Australia are exactly the same than the Périgord truffle we can find in France or Italy, in Europe. That is an amazing thing. Every year we've got more and more truffle in Australia. That's really positive thing. We're very proud of our farmers. And in Europe, actually, that's the other way. Year and years we've got less and less production. So we're very lucky now in Australia to get this beautiful product.
was because people were frightened of the truffles. 2-3 years ago when they first started being, supplied in Canberra, and so this way we felt that we could have people in the cheese room, we could talk to them, and we could tell them how to use the truffle balls. So the butter balls are the truffle, unsalted butter, to which I add Murray River salt, some garlic and some parsley, and that's all. I was really surprised how people, started coming back and saying, well, what else can I put it on? So the truffles will be on at silo for breakfast and lunch, and for breakfast it'll be on with some baked eggs with washed rind cheese, celery salt and truffle, and it's beautiful, and we serve that with walnut toast.
Hi, I'm James Kidman from Dietcia Mezzo, and during the Capital Country Truffle Festival in 2011 we'll be featuring truffles on our menu, and we look forward to you joining us.
Pappardelle, homemade. The semolina flowers and egg and quail eggs.
Well, une pièce de résistance. First truffles of the season.
Go.
We're offering freshly shaved truffles at the table for a little extra cost. Something to look forward to this year, coming up to our beautiful truffle dinner, so we'll be doing it prior and also after as well. Enjoy. Have a wonderful truffle season.
A dish is very traditional in Italy. We use dry porcini, soaked and cooked for 1 hour and a half. We prepare this stew and then we saute the pappardelle with that. Fresh shaved Parmesan cheese at the top and fresh truffle. Very simple, but the best. You can taste all the ingredients, which are all fresh. And I think you don't need to add anything to this dish. You just eat that because it's really good food.
He comes from Braidwood, so he stopped here in Bangalore with a big basket of 2-3 kilos of truffles. I choose my truffles. I smell my truffles. You can smell this truffle. It's amazing. Nothing changed.
We have got some amazing things happening in Canberra, and the truffle has finally given, I think, in the food and in the wine context, because it marries so beautifully with the wine, our beautiful wines in the region. We've got a seasonal product that makes Canberra an exciting time in the winter.
And then downstairs is the cafe, and we've got the kitchen cabinet down there as well, where we've got truffles available for sale from Sherry McArdle English.
But what we do need is frost. We need frost to trigger the maturity process of the truffle. We need the dog. The trees were 2.5 years old. We've since found that.
Buying a small amount of truffle, it's very expensive. We have some truffle for sale.
Discount on this part of West London is 500 grams, it's an egg in this jar. One of these in my hand. Digging in the ground with the dog's pointed. Raining, we're out there digging truffle. There's some frost, we're out there digging truffle. It's snowing, we're out there digging truffle. Very thirsty. It wasn't to everyone's house. Drop it in the blender.
Special brekkie tomorrow with a sage burnt noisette, which is just a burnt brown butter, and then we're going to shave a few little fresh truffles over the top. But we'll give everyone a taste of that in just a minute.
Do you have any questions that you'd like to ask of Wayne about truffles? Production is going through the Canberra. So just remind me again, what did you cook with it?
I just made scrambled eggs and shaved them with the butter over the top.
Hopefully you got a little bit of a taste of that.
And we're up at $120, yes? $120 on my right.
Bienvenue and welcome to our region, Canberra, to try this beautiful truffle, le très bon in Bangalore. Merci.